Today, I will tell you about some offset range, the offset pipe range. Its shape is different from our other pipe range. So now you must be seeing its shape of this pipe range, that its shape is like this. So why did I need this pipe range? I must already be seeing the pipe range here. It's also 18 inches and it's also 18 inches and I can't use this pipe wrench anywhere, and I'll tell you where we use it now. Why did I need to get it? It's a union. I have to open it. And you see, if I put this wrench in it, then it does not come here because it will stop here to open it. And if I put it from here, then I will show it from here. We need a pipe wrench of this type to open it. You must have seen that if I put it here, then it is completely comfortable, and there's a lot of space here so that I can open it comfortably.